Alright, today we're going to be learning about angles. This isn't a right angle. What does x equal if the bisector divides it in two? X equals 20 because 2 times 20 plus 5 equals 45, and x plus 25 equals 45. What is the definition of a bisector, and what does it do? A bisector is a line that divides an angle in two. Now we have an acute angle. What is the maximum size of an acute angle, and what is the minimum size of an acute angle? The maximum size of an acute angle is 79 degrees, and the minimum size of an acute angle is 1 degree. Now we have a straight angle. What's the measure of a straight angle? The measure of a straight angle is 180 degrees. Now we have an obtuse angle. What is the maximum size of an obtuse angle? What is the minimum size of an obtuse angle? The maximum size of an obtuse angle is 179 degrees. The minimum size of an obtuse angle is 91 degrees. Supplementary and complementary angles. A supplementary angle is two angles that add up to be 180 degrees. Complementary angles are two angles that add up to be 190 degrees. So here we have two angles and they are supplementary. 4x and 3x plus 5. What does x equal, and what type of angle is 1 and 2? X equals 25 in this case because 4 times x equals 4 times 25 equals 100. 3x plus 5 would be 75 plus 5, which would be 80. So angle 1 would be an acute angle, and angle 2 would be an obtuse angle. Which angles here are vertical angles? The vertical angles would be 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 5 and 8, and 6 and 7. Which angles are adjacent? The adjacent angles are 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 5 and 7, and 6 and 8. Corresponding angles are 1 and 5, 7 and 3, 8 and 4, 4 and 6. The alternate interior angles are 3 and 6, and 4 and 5. The same side interior angles are 4 and 6, 3 and 3 and 5. Alternate exterior angles are 2 and 7, and 8 and 1. If the measure of angle 1 is 70 degrees, then what are the degrees of all the other angles? What are the corresponding angles? If angle 1 is 70 degrees, then angle 4 has to be 70 degrees. And if 3 and 4 are supplementary, then this one has to be 130 degrees. So if angle 3 is 130 degrees, then angle 2 is 130 degrees. $80 is also 70 degrees because it's the alternate exterior angle of angle 1, and 5 is 70 degrees because it's the vertical angle to angle 8. 6 would be corresponding to angle 2, which makes it 130, and 7 would be 130 degrees because it's vertical to angle 6.